So view for you in 3, 2, 1. So this is such a beautiful, oh my god, I can't even tell you. ठंडा ठंडा वेदर है, मतलब इट मस्ट बी अराउंड 18-20 डिग्रीज राइट नाउ. ठंड लग रही है, मतलब हल्की हल्की हवा वाली ठंड लग रही है. Can't wait to get inside, chuck the luggage, get into the shower and change. Okay, welcome back. This is day 2 in Porto. कल वाली वीडियो में देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, it was a very very big and long day of travel. हम सब लोग वापस पहुंचे Airbnb में, we changed, we took a shower and we're feeling so much better. I'll quickly give you the room tour, the Airbnb tour. Guys, how are you feeling?
Better.
Nice, shower, changed.
Clean, squeaky clean.
Okay, give me your reviews about the Airbnb.
Very nice.
Very nice. It's cute. It's quite cute.
As seen in the pictures.
And the best thing is we have 3 fully functional bathrooms, guys. There is the commode, there is the
WC,
shower.
WC.
But
मजा ही
guys,
आ गया।
didn't you think that इनका WC बहुत छोटू है?
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ, वो है थोड़ा सा।
But at least है.
है।
But at least है. बुदापेस्ट में था ही नहीं.
पर हमने shift हो गए थे अभी।
But okay, so this is the kitchen का area. It's मतलब काफी spacious है. Open kitchen है. सामने 3 बड़ी-बड़ी windows हैं, खुलती हैं तीनों. This is our living area, sitting area. That's our dining area. अगर कभी हम कभी घर में कुछ बना रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, we can have it here. That's Pallavi. And this is the first washroom. This is quite big. अंदर काफी deep है. And this is the hallway. 2 rooms सामने हैं. इधर 1 and 2 rooms इधर हैं. This is the average room size. Nice, decent. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी अलमारी कह रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी window भी है. And similarly, this is the other room. I think this is the biggest room. So yeah, all in all, this is the apartment. This is where you enter from, and it's quite big, spacious है. हम 6 लोगों के लिए आराम से comfortable है. I think we'll be very comfortably placed here. So now the plan is we are finally going to eat something garam at a nice lunch brunch place. Where are we going, Purvaliti?
We are finding.
We're trying to find out for, I think we're gonna go near the river somewhere. We'll find a good spot. We'll roam around a little, get a few snacks, get a few drinks in, get the port wine in.
So let's go. Good to be walking outside in such a pleasant weather. क्या टेम्परेचर हो रहा होगा अभी? It will be I think 18-20 के बीच में. But beautiful weather. This is that underground market that we saw in the video.
This is actually their farmers market. It has fresh produce, some snacks, their local food.
And it's underneath a bridge.
Yeah.
ये हमने वीडियो में देखा था एक
And we had the
ब्लॉग में आने से पहले. And we had no idea हम इससे इतना पास हैं. Portugal is really famous for their Porto wines, And one interesting thing about Porto wine is, just like the champagne, to be called a champagne, it has to be from the region, which is in France. So similarly, for a wine to be called a port wine, it has to be from Porto.
थोड़ा swirl तो करो यार.
So this is a very interesting place. Places where you can buy cheese, where you can buy their fresh produce, pickles हैं, wines हैं बहुत सारी, chocolates हैं, and हर चीज़ का अलग अलग एक area बना हुआ है. Very beautifully made, and lots of stuff. Obviously the touristy stuff that you can buy, the fridge magnets and all of that. There are candies, lots of cheese, lots of flowers actually. I don't know if you can see, but right there, that entire section is of fresh flowers. So yeah, what are you having?
Cheese platter.
Oh, मैं यही बता रहा था अभी. There's lots of cheese also here.
This one is quite nice. Dip it in that.
Local produce. Cheers. Eugenie, fantastic, no? Eugenie and sister?
Yes.
Eugenie senior. Eugenie husband. David senior. How is it? है क्या?
Nine. Oh, this is Porto Tonica.
Oh, nice. Pallavi, how good a combination is this? Having sangria with a crepe, with chocolate and strawberry.
I don't think it's a very good combination. But it'll be
And
fun.
the best
It's just
part,
exactly what we needed.
the best part, I just saw this guy making fresh pasta out of a parmesan wheel, and we've gotten 2 of them. And just look at the way he's making it. I'll show it to you. Some more salt and pepper, please. Pallavi, right? Pallavi, right? I can't wait to have it.
I want to make it for myself.
I feel ये बहुत ही epic होने वाला है.
I also want to do the Fado live show.
So यहाँ पे one very important thing that we have to do is take the Douro River cruise, and then there's another cruise that takes you to the wine tasting place. So we're shortlisting out of these tours कि कौन सा हम लेंगे, because we're here for just 3 days. आज का दिन तो almost खत्म हो गया. We have 2 more days, जिसमें से एक दिन पूरा इस wine tasting वाले trip में जाएगा. We're at the Sao Bento crossing, and it's such a beautiful crossing. हर in every direction there is something happening. So now we're approaching the Douro River. This is the most famous attraction in Porto. It's a river that goes under a bridge, and the bridge separates the 2 parts of Porto, the old city and the new city. I've seen so many videos of Douro River. मैंने इतने travel vlogs देखे थे यहाँ पे आने से पहले, और ये अपना खुद का travel vlog बनाने से पहले. And this is quite the attraction here. You remember the Douro River
Yes.
wala?
The Louis Bridge.
The Louis Bridge and the Douro River. So view for you in 3, 2, 1. So that's the Douro River, and this is the famous Louis Bridge. And this bridge keeps moving because there's so much happening here. There are live trams going, and there are 2 levels. we're on the top level. इसके नीचे भी एक level है, वहाँ पे भी train जाती है and you can walk here. जब उस bridge tunnel से trains आती हैं, you have to move and it's just beautiful. Enjoying the sunset right on the Louis Bridge. It just looks so beautiful. So अब हम नीचे आ गए हैं. पहले हम bridge के ऊपर थे, if you can see. That's where we were. We walked the entire bridge and then we were sitting at that place. We're looking for a nice place to sit and enjoy our drinks and have something nice to eat. So this is such a beautiful, oh my god, I can't even tell you. I can't describe this street by the river. It's so beautiful. It's full of restaurants, cafes, and we just saw that place which was right by the river, just under the bridge. But वहाँ पे there was no table. So we shortlisted one of these restaurants to come and have our dinner. This place is called the Tabrina do Mane. It's been here since 1986. It's right by the river, and now the lights are coming out of the city. And the view is getting better and better by the minute.
And see how many birds do they have? See?
And Pallavi, look, वो valley जो पहले straight दिखी थी वो पूरी ऊपर जा रही है. It's an incline.
Yes. We were coming downhill now, so we weren't getting to.
मतलब people are jogging, यहाँ पे trams चल रही हैं, कुछ events हो रहे हैं. We witnessed a beautiful proposal right on top of that bridge जहाँ पे हम लोग थे. So all in all, it's very stunningly beautiful. 100% recommend everybody to come here once in their life. Okay, so we're done with dinner. Had some nice port wine, had some nice dinner. खाना ठीक ठाक था. मतलब by European standards, it was not that bad.
I had to like the chicken and everything.
That was nice.
Actually, I was not very hungry also. So it was
Now enjoying the last walk of the night by the river. One of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. That's how it looks in the night. काफ़ी chilly है, काफ़ी ठंड है. मतलब it's not that you can do with a t-shirt and a set of pants. You need a sweatshirt. Okay, so let's keep day 2's vlog very short and simple because day 1 तो पूरा traveling में चला गया. कल का vlog 20 मिनट का हो गया. So let's keep this short and simple. Guys, say good night. Bye bye.
Good night.
Bye
See you.
bye. Bye.
Hola. Por favor. Hola is hi.
Okay, that's it for day 2. See you in the next one.